What's up, guys? Today we're playing Big Scary, but the keypad levels only. So we're on level 11 because it won't let me join the private for some reason. It just kicks me out of the game as soon as I try to join one. I'll sort that out sooner or later. But yeah, just the keypad levels. Well, I already recorded this once, but I was not I was on selfie mode like this instead of on first person. So I recorded the whole video on selfie mode, which sucked, and it took about a long time, and I couldn't be asked to record again, and it's been ages since I did that, so time to go. Also, well done to Souls, no, not Cheesecake, Souls, Sheffy, Devon, and Soggy Hot Dog. I'm pretty sure those are the people who got server mod in Discord, but well done. If someone else did, I'm pretty sure someone else did, but I have no clue. Oh my god, she's right there. Oh my god, no, she's not. If she comes that way, I'm going that way. That's the whole point. I'm just gonna wait here. She just had to go over there. Okay. Yes. No. Oh, far. You should eat my chicken, bro. Finally! She can't get over these. No. And there's a keypad over here. She can't get over those beds. I need to get this. I'm scared. No! Stress chicken. I don't know. I'm scared. I look like her over there, but it's not. Oh my god, I'm stuck. No. I'm scared. I hate this level. God, right, I feel like I'm just gonna walk away and she's gonna appear. Oh my god! I swear I just heard something. That could be IRL though. But wherever it was scary. Okay, right. One event and... Okay. Come on. Oh my god, I got that. Okay, I'm safe. For now. Almost done. I heard the baby. I'm so scared. Oh my god! This monster gives me heart attacks. I know she's only down there, but I'd rather get this and die. 6, 8. That's the door. Go away. No. Fuck me right. Did you see a current jump? She goes along here. She goes that way. Jump. I heard the baby. Do you hear him? I love my stress chicken. Or whatever. It's a drumstick. I focused on my drumstick. And for some reason I didn't see her. How did you get too close? On a drumstick? Okay, it's time to jump. Get me out of here! Get me out of it! Get me out of it! Oh, I claimed it again. For like the millionth time. You don't know what I've been through.
Brother, what is it?
Oh my god, this game, bro!
Come here!
I'm cooked.
Yes, you're here.
Okay, bro, we got a teammate, bro. One sec. Before we start, thank you. You hear that, man?
Come on into level 14.
Oh my god, he's recruiting soldiers.
Yo.
I did it. First one. Oh, I've never actually beaten this level.
Give me more.
Come on, leave me alone. He just disappears.
What the fuck is Mr. Blaze?
Right, at least it's not flooded like yesterday. Oh my god, you can hear him.
Mr. Black, give me some energy.
Oh, I just figured out how to get rid of swears and some squares. So, thank god I learned how to do that. Oh no. 9, 4, 4. Let's go. Done. Oh, one more here. I think I might be cooked. Yes, I'm cooked! Oh, you're so loud as well. I feel like the next one's down there. Oh my god, she jumps. Yep, run! He's coming!
But I didn't know he was there! I heard him, but I didn't know he was actually there.
Alright, come on. Eat some of the stress chicken.
I can't eat it.
Good boy. He ate some of my stress chicken.
Fat pig.
Hey! I feel like this guy's everywhere, but all at the same time. I feel like he's everywhere, but
I'm lost. I got to spawn without dying.
I didn't.
Yeah, I heard you die when I
Yep, I
when
got
we went
murdered.
down there.
He won't.
Do you go? No, I think
No,
I think he went like.
he's underneath us. We are good, but it doesn't sound like it. I did see one over here. Yeah. How many nines are there? Oh my god! Mental heart attack. Oh, that's what I had. A heart attack.
I'm switching level.
Okay, see you, my bro.
Okay.
Gone but not forgotten. Oh. Oh. Oh, I wish beans was there. No. I said don't instead of no. Oh. You can come that way, but I found the way down this way. Where's the exit? Where's the exit? That's done. Oh my god, that's not... Don't tell me that's not the last one. I know it's not, but like... Oh my god, he's coming that way! Done that one. Just try search for them. Stop, no! How am I tired? How am I tired? How am I... I've done 2 levels! Nearly 2 levels. Anyway. What's that? That's it. Let's go. Away. Oh my god. Oh yeah, okay. Isn't there like a secret room or something? No. Wait, where's the secret room? Oh, there's no secret room. Okay.
Hi, I'm Jay. Did you know you have rights?
Hey, can you hear me?
Yes,
Can you hear me?
I can hear you, my child.
Right. I haven't played this game for 2 years.
What are you doing?
Jesus.
This game might be a little different.
I'm on top of the toilet.
Num.
There's a border.
2 years is a long
Yeah,
time.
it is
Can I
way
take-
too different.
Wait, sit down like this.
Come up here. Climb up the corner.
Alright. Yeah,
I
goodbye. Wait, let's do a proper outro. So thank you for watching. Join Hankers, Galaxy Viper, Galaxy and Galaxy. Wait, what? Galaxy Viper, Galaxy and Viper. And I can't join them at the moment for some reason. I'll get that fixed.
Come on, look this
I'm
way.
eating my stressed chicken.
Or do this maybe.
And subscribe
Come on,
and
let's just
peace.
go
Bye.
in.